date is the 6th of July 2021. This was really different. This is Tapionkatu. It would be Tapionkatu 17 seconds here in Tampere, versus Finland. This is in Tampere. With 8 floors, built in 1981 by Valmet, with turning 40 years old this year in 2021. Did they go?
Yeah.
The serial number is 5908 and the capacity is 4 barrels of 305 grams. It's going to be inspected in 2023. The same year it was still Valmet steering, but early 1981 was Valmet steering, and this is probably late 1981. Gonna check if it was finished in 1980, so we'll see. Now let's write it.
No memory, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no memory. Yeah. It's simple. That's still amazing.
Yeah.
But they could have also had a fornicator.
Yeah.
Check one thing. Is this connected? It just looked like it.
Yeah.
It has to be separately.
Yeah. Is Deep equipment maintained by Otis nondescript?
And it has 8 floors.
Yeah.
I also like the interior here. It's chocolate brown.
Yeah, same here.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's